It's a great pleasure for me to be here at the Institute of Oncology in Slovenia, which has a tremendous history and tradition of comprehensive multidisciplinary approach to cancer prevention and control, the whole chain from screening up to palliative care. I would like to really congratulate all the staff of the Institute, of the Ministry of Health. We're looking forward to scale up the collaboration with the World Health Organization, because Slovenia has a lot to show to the region, to the world. We will join to make sure that cervical cancer, for example, is the first cancer to be eliminated, but also focusing further on breast cancer, on colorectal cancer, on childhood cancers. One of the amazing things is that the Institute of Oncology succeeded to keep the cancer screening, prevention and control going during the tough times of the COVID-19. I'm concerned what's happening in the region globally, that now we're going to see patients with more advanced stages of cancer. So we need to accelerate the pace on screening and comprehensive cancer prevention and control, and we have to do it together. Congratulations.